Sometimes you just have to spice up your vegetables, and today we are making an Asian cucumber salad. We need about 5 cups of sliced cucumbers. I'm using English cucumbers. The recipe I'm using recommends you slicing them in half lengthwise and scooping the seeds out. I didn't, and I think you'd be just fine. But we're also going to use the tines of a fork and score the cucumbers lengthwise, and that's just gonna help our dressing stick to the cucumbers. This is not necessary. Feel free to skip it if you don't want to, or if you're in a hurry. Then go ahead and slice your cucumbers thinly and place those into a medium to large mixing bowl. To our cucumbers, we're going to add a half teaspoon of salt and go ahead and mix that all together. And we're going to let our cucumbers sit while we make our dressing. The salt is just going to pull some of the water out of the cucumbers so it doesn't water down our dressing. In a large mixing bowl, combine 4 to 5 green onions finely sliced, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1/4 of a cup of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce, or sriracha if you can't find the chili garlic sauce, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. So you can go ahead and mix that all together, or we ultimately need to strain the water out of our cucumbers and add them to the rest of our ingredients. So once you have everything all in one bowl, give everything a really good toss to make sure all of the ingredients are really well mixed together, and your easy Asian inspired cucumber salad is ready to serve. Absolutely give it a taste test, add more salt if it's needed, add more of the chili garlic sauce or sriracha if you want. The chili garlic sauce gives it a really nice flavor, but it does add a little extra heat, so just keep that in mind. The original recipe that I'm borrowing also mentions that you can add in things like fish sauce or lime juice, crushed roasted peanuts, cilantro or Thai basil, red onions, peanut chili crunch, radishes, and there's something else that I leave down below that I don't know how to pronounce, but the ingredients in the instructions and the link to the original recipe, I'll pop those all down below in the description box for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you try this salad. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you're looking for another easy cucumber salad, go ahead and click or tap here on screen, and I will see you guys there.